Exploring man-made marvels, the language of industrial buildings. Hello learners! Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of man-made places, focusing specifically on industrial buildings. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe different types of industrial buildings and use specific English vocabulary related to them. Let's get started. When we say industrial buildings, we're referring to structures designed for activities like manufacturing, production, and large-scale operations. Examples include factories, power plants, and warehouses. A factory is a building where goods are produced in large quantities, often by automated processes. A power plant is a facility where electrical power is generated. A warehouse is a large building where raw materials or manufactured goods are stored before they are shipped to retailers. Each of these buildings has a unique structure and purpose, which is reflected in the language we use to describe them. When describing industrial buildings, we often talk about their size, shape, function, and location. The size of industrial buildings can be described using adjectives like large, enormous, sprawling, or compact. For example, the factory has a sprawling campus with multiple buildings. The shape of these buildings can be described as rectangular, cylindrical, or complex, based on their architectural style. The function of the building refers to what it is used for. For example, the power plant produces electricity for the entire city. The location can be described as being in an industrial area, on the outskirts of a city, near a port, and so on. For example, the warehouse is located near the port for easy shipping. There are many specific words related to industrial buildings. Here are a few. Assembly line. A sequence of workers and machines in a factory, where a product is assembled in stages. Conveyor belt. A moving belt that transports objects in a factory. Storage bay. An area within a warehouse designated for storing goods. Cooling tower. A tall, circular structure, usually found at a power plant, used for cooling water or condensing steam. Smokestack. A large, tall chimney through which smoke is released into the atmosphere. Try to incorporate these words into your conversations to make your descriptions more detailed and precise. There you have it. We've just explored the fascinating world of industrial buildings and enriched our vocabulary related to it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these new words and phrases in your everyday conversations. As always, keep learning and keep practicing. See you in our next video.